So I've got a really busy week this week. We've been working really hard the past couple of days and we're out all the rest of the week filming events or going to conferences, things like that. And I was thinking, how am I physically going to have time to make these videos every day? How am I going to do it? So I thought, what would Mark Zuckerberg do? What would Bill Gates do? What would Steve Jobs do? What would Elon Musk do? They would get up super early and do it. That's why I'm sat here at 7 o'clock in the morning. Anya's on her way over right now and we're going to leave. But I want to make these videos, and it doesn't matter if this video gets 2 views or 2 million views. To me, it's just about that progression. And it's also about the challenge of making a video every weekday for a whole year. That's a massive deal, and I didn't quite realize how much work it was going to be and how much mental capacity it was going to take. So every single day, I'm thinking to myself, right, I need to go make a video. I need to go make a video. What video is going out today? It's on my mind 24/7. I'm checking my YouTube app every day to see how many subscribers I've got, how many watch minutes I've got, how many views I've got. And that's all to reach an end goal. And I don't know whether I've told you guys this, but my end goal is to reach financial freedom. I don't want to have worries about getting money every month. And that is something we've struggled with in the past. When we've had quiet months, I've been thinking, oh, are we going to make it this month? And every month we figure out we make it. But I want that stress to be gone. So that's why I'm trying to get 10,000 subs by the end of this year. And I don't know whether you know this as well, but I've just become monetized on YouTube, so I am making a small amount of money. This month I've made about 50 or 60 quid. I think it's around that area. So I am getting there, but it's just a slow process. And if I don't make these videos, then I'm never going to make it. And to be a success in life, you do need to just keep working at something. And it's not a success story until you succeed. I'm just going to keep working, keep plugging away at these videos, and one day I'm going to get there. I guarantee you. Thank you for watching. I know this is a short video. It is the crack of dawn, but I just wanted to update you and tell you where I was and where I'm planning to go. Thanks for watching. I will see you again tomorrow.